At Ring, we've spent over 10 years building new products, launching groundbreaking devices, and next-level features. Along the way, customers have shown us
We found your wallet.
an amazing variety of ways they use Ring. They use it for greetings at their door,
Yeah, hi, Daddy.
checking in on pets,
Hey, buddy.
and especially stuff like this.
Hey, put that down.
Don't even try it.
A way to be connected to their home, their business, their anything. We believe distance shouldn't separate us from what we care about. That's why our new mission is keeping people close to what's important. It comes from you, real Ring customers. And we can't wait to see where it takes us together.
Wow.